You're back at the top 5, and in honor of the spookiest, the creepiest time of year, it's all about this year's hottest, silliest, and sexiest Halloween costumes. So right now we're breaking down this year's top 5 costumes inspired by some of Hollywood's biggest names and most talked about characters. And we are kicking things off with number 5. Why not dress up like one of 2013's most famous new faces? And when we say new, we mean like really, really new, as in this person is literally an infant. Yeah, why not dress up like Baby Northwest? Believe it or not, Baby Northwest is set to be one of this year's hottest Halloween costumes. All you have to do is grab a black leotard or onesie, a massive diaper, think Depends here, and a pimped out bedazzled pacifier, and people will be asking you if you're Kim Kardashian and Kanye West baby. At number 4 on our hot Halloween costume countdown is the girl on fire. And no, we are not talking about Katniss Everdeen here. We're talking about the girl who literally set herself on fire this year. Thanks to Jimmy Kimmel and the power of viral videos on YouTube, we all fell for what will be most likely the biggest internet prank of 2013. Oh yes, it's the twerking girl who caught herself on fire. Now, it might have been a hoax, but we all fell for it, and it was definitely memorable. So put on a pair of black yoga pants, a hot pink t-shirt, then grab some battery-powered candles and do a handstand and get to twerking. You'll be the biggest hit at every Halloween party in town. I just want to say, don't get your twerk on near any glass tables, and please steer clear of handstanding behind doors. Coming in at number 3 on our hot Halloween costume list is a look that was inspired by this.
What does the fox say?
What does the fox say? Okay, so this might not be a sexy costume, but coolness is pretty sexy, and if you ask me, to quote Miley Cyrus, this is pretty cool. So grab a friend and get inspired by one of the hottest songs out right now. If people ask you what you're dressed up as, just show off your vocal skills and sing the song. What does the fox say? Plus, you'll be pretty foxy. See what I did there? Foxes, foxy, get it? At number 2 on our top 5 Halloween costume list is the king of tag popping, Macklemore. Now, you're probably already gonna go look for your costume at the thrift shop anyways, so why not just pay homage to the king himself? All you really need is a huge faux fur coat, a Goodwill bag, and a king-size Slurpee, and shazam! You'll be raking in the Best Dress Award at every party you go to. All right, we have arrived at our number 1 spot on our top 5 hot Halloween costumes for 2013. And let's just face it, I mean, we already know that there's one celeb out there who has stolen the spotlight when it comes to giving us awesome dress-up ideas. Oh yeah, people, it's Miley Cyrus. I mean, guys, let's just be honest here. It's basically Halloween every single day for Miley. So before you pick your costume, ask yourself this important question. What Miley Cyrus am I? Are you Wrecking Ball Miley, complete with white underwear, a white crop top, boots, and a sledgehammer? Or are you Met Ball Miley, donning a mesh dress, red lips, and a blonde spiky wig? Or are you Classic Miley, aka VMA Miley, rocking a bear onesie and blonde bunlets? So many options to choose from, and I gotta say, they're all amazing. So that is our top 5 hot Halloween costume list for 2013. And whether you choose to dress as this year's hottest baby, or you choose to pay respect to the king of the thrift shop, or you just keep it classic and go the way of Miley, whatever you do, have an awesome and safe holiday. And if Miley is your pick, come on back to Clevver TV for Tutorial Tuesday, where we're gonna show you how to create her look for yourself. Also, let us know what you think of our top 5 list by hitting the comment section. I'm Jocelyn Davis. Happy Halloween.